So I'm here at Corazon de Cacao in the Xochimilco neighborhood of Oaxaca with Iris. Buenos dias, Iris.
Buenos dias.
How are you? And they have a beautiful little chocolate shop here with an incredible variety of chocolates to taste, as well as sort of their family history through the years and many generations back when their grandmother and great-grandmother were cooking with chocolate but not having a shop. And this shop's been open for about 20 years. They've also got a little cafe here where you can have a chocolate experience. But I just wanted to talk with Iris. Iris, can you tell me a little bit about the chocolate that you sell here and how are they different and just sort of cacao here in Oaxaca?
Yes, so we try to use most of the ingredients from Oaxaca. So the cacao is organic, grows here in the south of Oaxaca, and also we have the white cocoa beans. So this is the fruit, and this one grows in Chinantla, Oaxaqueña, that is in the north. And well, we have different flavors of chocolate with this cacao. We have the traditional one with cinnamon and almond. That's my great-grandmother recipe. We have with chile pasilla, also with a flower called Rosita de Cacao, that is an endemic flower from Oaxaca. We have chai flavor, Christmas one, black and white without sugar, or macadamia and white cocoa beans.
Nice.
And we also do drinks here. You can choose any flavor. We can make it into a cold or hot drink. And well, we have all the chocolates to taste.
Right. And so we're here in the Xochimilco neighborhood, which is what, maybe 10, 15 minutes walk from Centro?
Yes.
So an easy walk. It's a beautiful neighborhood loaded with murals. And tell me a little bit about, these are some of the ingredients that go into the chocolates?
Yes, so we have the Rosita de Cacao flour, the star anise, cinnamon from Oaxaca, and chili pasilla. Also the almonds and the macadamia that grows in Michoacan, in Veracruz, here in Mexico.
Beautiful.
We also have the pods of cacao, chocolate powder, and all the chocolate, the cacao pods painted in these bars or little pieces of chocolate that you can drink, or also you can eat them.
Beautiful. What are some of the drinks that you offer here?
All of the flavors. You can choose any of them in a cold, hot drink with water or milk, but the traditional way to drink it here in Oaxaca is with water.
Hot.
Yes, hot.
Hot chocolate. Nice. And so when people buy this, how do you turn this kind of chocolate when you return home and you bring chocolate from Corazon de Cacao? How do you make it?
So you can do it in a blender or a mixer, but the traditional way is in that kind of pot, the one that you see right there. So you will usually pour the hot water and a piece of chocolate, and then you roll this inside, like to dissolve the chocolate, and then the traditional way is to roll this inside like this. So these help us to do the foam in our hot chocolate. And people from Oaxaca says that if your hot chocolate doesn't have foam, it's not a very good hot chocolate. Or if you cannot achieve to do the foam in your hot chocolate, you cannot marry.
Not ready for marriage.
Yes.
Does that go for the husbands as well?
I don't know, maybe.
And this is the history of your family here?
Yes.
Nice. And so some of these restaurant recipes, you said come from generations, have been handed down in your family? Can you tell me about that?
So the one that my mother learned from her grandmother is the Oaxacan flavor with the cinnamon, almond, and cacao. So that one is like a mix between the Spanish culture and also the pre-Hispanic culture, because of the cacao and the cinnamon and almonds. Well, they arrived with the Spanish people. That's how the Oaxacan chocolate was created. And then the other flavors was like the invention of my mother, like her creation.
Nice. And then can you show me, you have another little sitting space that's a small cafe? And people can come and have an experience here as well?
Yes.
What is the chocolate experience?
So my mom's, she says she tells all the history of our family and also of the cacao and beans and chocolate. You can try all the flavors, and also we offer drinks, like one hot drink and one cold, and a shot of mezcal and cacao.
Beautiful. And is that something people need to organize ahead of time, or they just show up?
Yes, you need to organize that.
Okay, through Corazon de Cacao.
Yes.
Beautiful. What a lovely little shop. So again, I'm here with Iris and her mother at Corazon de Cacao here in the Xochimilco neighborhood of Oaxaca. It's just a short 10-minute walk from Centro, and they've got an amazing variety of products that you can purchase if you want to, but also it's just a fun place to visit and learn about cacao and cacao culture here in Oaxaca. Iris, thank you so much.
Yes.